I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt we'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the
I took the supermarket flyers from the windowsill. I threw the day old tea from the cup. Packed up the photo album Matthew had made, memories of a life that's been loved. Took the get well soon cars and stuffed animals, poured the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down, but Mum, there's a tear every time that I blink. Oh, I'm in in pieces, it's tearing me up. But I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. And when God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home. I fluffed the pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs up, folded your nightgowns neatly in a case. John said he'd drive, then put his hand on my cheek and wiped a tear from the side of my face. And I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. And when God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home.
Ako pala mabagting.
Net pa di ay na ni mo. Kuan.
Ako pala mabagting. Ano ba tayo kanina?
Mga kahinay.
Ano ba tayo mo kanina bagting?
Ah,
Iba ano bagting? Ano nabatian mo kanina bagting?
hindi siguro ko.
Sa TV?
Kita na kita sila ko.
Happy birthday!
Sabihan ko ko. Ano mati. Wala ba din sila gud kasi wala din si si report.
Ang gusto report.
Maglakat na. Ano ini?
Ang kampana'y tuluyang nang gigising upang tayong lahat ay manalangin ang
Ang tape.
Hindi man.
Yapo dito. Padagdag ka lang usad.
Ora gani din yung pito.
아파트 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 아파트
Bisan mo ang lubot.
Hindi ko na lubot. O, bisan ano na lang bag paper. Kaya puti. Scotch tape ano. Kapang.
Kaya ko din, kalungan din. Dagol. O Clifford. Pag bakalasad pa sini. Yung kuan.
Rapper.
Rapper.
Kulang.
Sinabi ko ikaw. O buwan pipir na lang.
Ha?
Buwan pipir siguro. Buwan pipir.
Scotch tape yung ano? Pauman.
Ano naman yung uri ka tuman?
Ano ba ganun?
Ha?
Minsan din ako nakakita pag nakapiyong ako.
Siyempre di ka kita ko yung kabuang ka.
Ayaw ano pag ano? Scotch
Ano ba
tape
niya?
ano?
Pag ko na naman pipir di na. May mo diri apinan.
Ha?
Di na apinan sa lubot.
Basta, pwede mo. Kita dayon.
Tipi ha?
Kita dayon. Bantay pala ganit. Bisa mo lang. Yung puti man.
Teka ako bang pipir?
Hay mo ng tape.
Ah, di ba ka dyan?
Okay.
Ano nagtuman? Sa sunod kita mo na dito sinda?
Oh.
Ano sabi?
Okay na. Ang ganda naman.
Ha?
Diri man ni tape.
Naman ina?
Sa lamisa ko inyo.
Amo, oo.
Diri ni tape.
Dili, Ford! Pagbakal tape!
Tape po.
Mura ka mo?
Ayaw ko dito tape kaso puti ito. Masking tape. Paper tape.
Pwede mo ito didi.
Dili ito. Ito na lang. Pakuha na lang ang paper. Award sabay na lang. Mabakal naman lang.
Pagbakal kasing kuan. Oh,
Tape kag usad pa ka rapper.
nagkirapir, oh. Oh. Nagpira itong rapper.
Ipira yung rapper.
Maka na sin pintil-pin.
Sabiyon mo Port, ano Port? Sa Buntigaw.
Mura kita ini. Una ini.
Ako, nandito na akong gibakal dito na sa
So di man.
Pusta Shimmery.
Si Mary.
Oo,
Tapos agi ka po ka pag ano card. Wedding card.
wedding card.
Oo, amo lang. Tapos scotch tape.
Altay ko da.
Bisan. Bisan
Diri ini
kupon ba na
scotch
lang?
tape.
Ha?
Sa balloon ini
May
diri
kupon ba na
scotch tape.
zero?
Scotch tape.
May kupon ba ba dida?
Wala.
Mura.
Igwa ko po man mga module.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Kita ini kung igudia ka na buntigaw.
Okay na to.
Tipi.
Wala tape. At pa nga ang tape. Di ganin tape.
Padana lang ini dito.
Uy, padara na lang.
Taga kundi ito. Taga dina.
Taga di.
Tumubo.
Ah,
Ang praslon sa Tagala.
taga muna. Ang babae siguro ang taga Tagala.
Oo. Nalimot ko ngaran.
Babae. Aling matapod ako.
Huwag ka taga imbitasyon.
Igwa. Pero ba, ano pa ka?
Diyan na dito. Di man. Bagong ina dito.
Bago.
Ang mo
Sa?
sa mga tingnan na kita.
Malamang poblasyon na dito dito.